Hey, what's up guys? This is Ali from isocialu.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to talk about TikTok analytics. Number one, how can you access the data? And then number two, how can you use that data to really grow your account on TikTok? And now, before we jump into the demo, you know what to do, right? So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notifications of all of my future videos. All right, so let's go to TikTok. Here we go. So here's my TikTok. I don't know why we are seeing this. Anyways, just ignore this. Or there you go. It's gone. So here's my TikTok. By the way, if you're not connected with me on TikTok, make sure you do. I am at Ali Mirza 2K. That's my handle on TikTok. So what you want to do is click on those three dots on the top, and then we're going to go to analytics, which is right here. And by the way, you do need, I believe, a pro account to access your analytics. So if you don't have a pro account, let me show you. So you'll go to manage and then see how I have a pro account and I can switch back to personal account. If you have a personal account, it's going to give you an option to change it to the pro account. All right, so let's go back and I'm going to go to analytics. Now here is all the data. So first you're looking at the overview tab, and then there's content, and then followers. So let's look at the overviews. It's super simple. The first portion is the video views, and if you see this, right, so what's happening is I'm getting a lot of video views, a lot of tractions here in recent last couple of weeks on TikTok. Why? Because that's when I got more active. Before, I had an account, but I wasn't really like creating content. And then if you scroll down, you see how 7 days, and let's click on 28 days. So this is the growth of my followers on the account. And then that should coincide with the video views or profile views right here. So you see how the last like couple of weeks, I'm getting a lot of video views, I'm getting a lot of followers and profile views, which make sense. All right, now let's go to the content tab right here. Now this is actually what I check most often. Why? Because I want to know what type of content is doing well for me on my account, and how can I do more of that so I get more video views, more profile visits, and also more followers, right? All of those three things, in most cases, they go hand in hand. All right, so what I look for here is on the top, you have your recent 11 posts. And then at the bottom, you have trending videos in 7 days. So this is the key. This is what you want to pay attention to. If you're creating different types of content and you see a certain type of videos or songs or audio that you're using is doing really well, so maybe you want to do more of that in your future content to grow on TikTok. Now, let's say this was the account level analytic. Let's say I want to check analytics of a specific video. So what I can do is just click on, let's say, this video. And now I can look at the data of that. What's the play time, how many views, average watch time, and then traffic sources. So most of the traffic is coming from For You page, some from personal profile, and then the following. And then this is what I look at. Another thing that I pay attention to is the audience. So most of my views are coming from the United States. That's the country that I want to attract people or followers from. So this makes a lot of sense. Now let's go back, and now I'm going to go to followers on the top. So again, you can use this to really see if you're attracting the right type of people to your TikTok account. So 61% male, 38% female, that's fine, but this is the key. So most of my followers are coming from United States, and then obviously from other countries as well. All right, super simple. And if I go back, you'll see, let me actually go back to my profile, and let's say if I wanted to check analytics of this video, all I have to do is click on these three dots and then hit analytics. So here's another way of checking analytics on a specific type of content. All right, guys, super simple. Just wanted to show you how you can access analytics on your TikTok account and really understand the data, and also use that data to see how you can improve your content and grow your account and business on TikTok platform. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I will see you in the future videos. Thanks.